Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk, back once again with another Junkyard build. Now this is my back door, and it's nice to keep it open in the summer when it's too hot, though top tip for hot weather is to keep doors shut when it's super hot as well, but when we want some breeze coming through, keeping the door open is good sometimes. But this one gets caught in the wind and it slams shut, which is not good for the door or for my nerves. Now, the obvious fix is some kind of wedge underneath. This bit of wood jams kind of quite nicely and keeps the door shut, but as soon as it rocks a bit in the wind, it falls over, slam goes the door. So another way to jam a door open is that there is some kind of overflow pipe from my heating, and I could attach the back door handle to that with some string, but again I'd be a bit worried about that getting damaged, and that would be something I couldn't fix myself and would be expensive. So a third way to jam a door is in the hinge. This is a PVC double glazed door, and it's got this large hinge area here. But maybe I could jam something in there. Well, sure enough, here's my bit of junkyard. Whoops, there we are. Junkyard wood. This is a bit of an old skirting board, so you can see it's got some moulding here, which suits my needs quite nicely. I've cut it to size, and that will jam in there and slot in there, and that keeps the door shut quite nicely. If this was going to catch a lot of wind, I wouldn't use the solution, because I think this would probably damage the hinge here, or break off the plastic here or something terrible, but I do know this door is not going to catch a great gust of wind, particularly back here at the furthest open point, because the wall here shelters things a bit. Well, there's a mop there. So yeah, I hope that gives you an idea of how to keep doors open. If you've got an interior door, this gap will be a lot smaller, but again, you can jam the door open with a piece of wood, maybe cover it with some rubber, elastic bands, or some old bicycle inner tube that would have been thrown away otherwise, to make it a little bit softer and stick in position better. And that's another way of jamming a door open. And the advantage is you don't have stuff on the floor to trip over. Like if you've got your bedroom door jammed open to let your pets in or something, then you won't be tripping over wedges when you walk through the door first thing in the morning. So I hope that's given you an idea or two of how to use junk to fix your household problems. Thanks for watching.